Hey, if you're a freelancer and you're always going to online jobs PH, I think you need to see this. So, I'm Joe Marie. I'm a freelancer na for almost 5 years and I have 3 clients now. So, lahat ng mga clients ko dito ko nakakuha sa online jobs PH. And kahit may 3 clients na ako, everyday pa rin ako nag-search like my developer or like a web developer. So, araw-araw ko sinesearch yan and nag-i-scroll ako araw-araw sa online jobs PH kahit may client na ako. But, napansin ko na sobrang hassle niya. Kailangan ko pa i-copy yung job description like this and then nalagay ko sa Claude or sa GPT para maka-generate ng cover letter. That's why naisipan ko gumawa ng app para ma-automate to lahat. That's why I created this app called JobSync. So it will automate your application on Online Jobs PH. So may i-cover letter siya. So like you just have to click, for example, this one, click natin to, then apply, then generate with AI. So, hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-copy-paste ng mga job description. Si AI na bahala gumawa ng cover letter sa'yo. So, like for example, this one, so as you can see, andyan na yung gumawa na siya ng AI cover letter niya. And then, next is yung job search or job filters na kung saan makakatulong siya para hindi ka na magsa-search pa ng mga keyword dito like virtual assistant, social media manager, graphic designer. So, sobrang daming keywords na sinesearch mo every day. So, on this job filter is matatanggal yung mga job posts na hindi align sa skills mo. And makikita mo lang yung mga job posts na align sa skills mo or sa niche mo. Like for example, this one, virtual assistant, social media manager, developer, web developer, yan yung mga keywords na sinesearch araw-araw, sinesearch ko araw-araw. And next is yung notification, which is very helpful kasi sa mobile na lang siya na-notify. So like for example, this one, Telegram, is hindi ko na kailangan pa mag-search sa online jobs para lang malaman na may bagong job post na lang sa skills ko. So, si JobSync na bahala mag-notify sa akin through Telegram na, oy, may bagong job post na aling sa skills mo. I think kailangan mo to apply yan. So, I think yun lang. I hope you try this app, JobSync, and I know na makaka-help to siya para makaland kayo ng client, and if you have clients now, malagdagan pa yung mga clients. That's all. Thank you.